Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel My Target 100%. I think all of you must have seen my last videos. Okay, anyway, all the best for board examination. So today's topic is what is the rest mass of a photon? Anybody? Any students? You can say? Okay, that is our topic. Today's topic is rest mass of photon. The rest mass of photon is 0, but first we must have idea how it is coming. In fact, Albert Einstein was a great scientist, wonderful scientist, okay, but everybody is very much familiar with his name. Those students are reading science or arts or commerce, but because there is no great genius without a mixture of madness, according to him. वो इतना बड़ा साइंटिस्ट थे, उनको सब कोई जानता है, जानता था और जानते रहेंगे जितना दिन तक साइंस का रिवोल्यूशन है. लेकिन बात है कि जब वो मास एनर्जी रिलेशन हुआ था अकॉर्डिंग टू थ्योरी ऑफ रिलेटिविटी, E इज इक्वल टू एम नॉट सी स्क्वायर. वी हैव टू डिस्कस E इज इक्वल टू एम नॉट सी स्क्वायर. यहाँ बोला गया वी नो दैट मास इज कॉन्स्टेंट क्वांटिटी, इट कैन नॉट बी changed, but according to him mass can be converted into energy. Okay, but उनको जो नोबेल प्राइज मिला वो फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट में. लेकिन बहुत लोग को हैरान होते हैं, लेकिन वो जो थियोरी ऑफ रिलेटिविटी ही उनको बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलैरिटी बढ़ा दिया. तो उससे क्या हुआ, उसमें तीनों चीज़ जो बताए थे वो तीनों चीज़ है, क्या है ना. वन इज time dilation, length contraction. You can take any one is first. Third one is mass variation. ये थोड़ा सा हम बताते हैं, उसका बाद हम लोग डिराइव करेंगे. According to Einstein, a moving clock goes slower than clock at rest. Everybody? Then when you apply heat on a metal, what will happen? It expands, but according to him it contracts. Here everybody told mass is constant quantity, but he told mass is variable quantity. How? Let us discuss one by one. He proved with the help of only one word, C, velocity of light in vacuum. Okay, so time dilation TV is equal to T naught 1 minus V square by C square. हम इसका डिटेल नहीं बताते हैं क्योंकि +2 स्टूडेंट के लिए उतना जितना ज़रूरत है वो बता रहे हैं. लेंथ कंट्रैक्शन LV is equal to L naught into 1 minus V square by C square, this much. Okay, but we need this one. MV, you can say it is MV is equal to M naught 1 minus V square by C square. Okay, now you just give focus or stress on this one. Okay, now everybody copy pen ready? Okay, so हम लोग इसको ही डिस्कशन करेंगे. Let us discuss the light particle. You know that is photon. The energy of photon is h nu. Okay, but the most important characteristics of a photon is it moves very good with velocity of light in vacuum. That means the velocity of light is how much? C is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So heading you write the rest mass of a photon. How much it is? 0. Answer is 0. But how can you calculate this one? Okay, just point out mathematical expression. Mathematical expression. बढ़िया से लिखो, जिसको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है वो पूछेगा. ओके, आप और एक बात बताना है, आपको जब नोट की ज़रूरत होती है आप जा सकते हैं, मेरा वेबसाइट लिंक है www.nidhisau.com. ओके, सो हम लिंक दे देंगे, आप उससे नोट कलेक्शन कर सकते हैं. ओके, लेट m naught mass of the body when body having no velocity. Okay, rest mass, this one is rest mass of the body. That means body has no velocity, body is at rest, but mv mass of the body moving with velocity v, moving थोड़ा स्पीड हो रहा ना, ठीक. ओके, मूविंग विथ वेलोसिटी v. ओके, बट फ्रॉम आइंस्टाइन्स इक्वेशन, according to Einstein, no body can attain the velocity of light. That means the velocity of a body is always less than the velocity of the light. Okay, so according to time dilation, mass variation, mv is equal to m naught 1 minus v square by c square square root. We have to calculate this one, m naught, because it is rest mass. M naught is equal to mv into 1 minus v square by c square, this one. The important properties from the beginning I told, photon can move with velocity of light in vacuum. So v is equal to c. So if you will put this in this equation, what you will get? M naught is equal to mv into 1 minus v square, this one 1 minus 1 0, so this one, so it is 0. So you will write m naught is equal to 0. Okay, any problem? So in this way you have to practice. So what is the rest mass of photon, how you got this value. Okay, thank you, have a good day.